Welcome to the channel. Today we're going to be integrating Home Assistant with Spotify. Now the integration is super easy and will have you up and running in minutes. Now a word of warning, you do need a premium account, which is a paid subscription account, if you want to control playback, while a free account can only be used for browsing and current playback status. Also, to send music from Spotify to a device, then the device must already be known to Spotify, so you cannot redirect music to an unknown device to Spotify. So let's dive on in. Now we're going to use the official Home Assistant Spotify integration. We'll assume that you're doing a fresh install of the Spotify integration. If not, you'll need to remove your outdated credentials by following the link in the integration instructions. Now for this to work, we'll need a developer account. Right-click on the Spotify developer dashboard and open in New tab. Follow the on-screen instructions to develop the account. I already have one, so mine logs directly into the account. Now press the Create Ad in the top right-hand corner. Give it an appropriate name. The app description is mandatory, so enter in an appropriate description. The website can be left blank. However, the redirect URI will be required. Navigate back to the previous tab. Scroll down and you'll see a redirect URI. Copy this section, move back into the Spotify Developer tab and paste into the URI field. The API and SDK information can be left blank. Accept the Spotify Developer Terms of Service and Design Guidelines and press Save. Now we need our credentials. Press the Settings button in the top right-hand corner. Press the View Client Secret Information. Now open a new tab for Home Assistant. Go to Settings, then move to Devices and Services. Press the bottom right-hand corner, Add Integration. Search for and select Spotify. Give it an appropriate name. Navigate back to the developer account and press the Copy button in the right of the field for the client ID. Move back into Home Assistant and copy this into the OAuth client ID. Move back into the Developer tab and repeat for the client secret. Once fully populated, press the Add button. Spotify will ask for some more questions in relation to usage of the account. Press Agree. You'll be now passed to the Home Assistant redirect page. Validate that your instance URL is correct and press Link Account. Success, your integration has been successfully integrated. Now select an area, in my case, System. Press Finish. Now we have successfully integrated Spotify with Home Assistant. Let's go and test this out. Navigate to the Spotify web interface. Log in if required. Select an artist from your playlist. Select a device that you wish to listen to music on. In my case, I've also linked in the voice assistant from Amazon. All my smart home speakers should already show up. I'll select the study. If you now press play, you should hear your music. Now navigate back to Home Assistant and select an appropriate dashboard that you wish to place your controls onto. Press the three dots in the top right-hand corner. Edit Dashboard. Bottom right-hand corner, press Add Card. Search for Media. Now select your appropriate card, or add all three. In my case, the media player of choice is the Mushroom Media Player card. Enter in the entity of the speaker you wish to play your music on. In my case, the study. Give it an appropriate name if required. Give it an appropriate icon. In my case, I usually like to fill out all of the information, so I'll be selecting all items. Now press Save. Now you can control Spotify that will play on the speaker. So that's Spotify integrated to Home Assistant for media controls through a dashboard in less than 5 minutes. Now, if you want to be able to send music to a specific speaker that's connected to Home Assistant but not connected to Spotify, then subscribe to the channel and ding that bell to be notified when that video becomes available. We'll also have an integration that aggregates music providers and allows Home Assistant to control their feedback features. So watch out for that alert coming through too. So have a great time listening to your music. Until the next one.